Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Gaya nga na nabasa sa title, today I'm gonna show to you what are my straps that I'm using in my Apple Watch Ultra. So this is it. So makikita nyo, ang layo pala masyado ng camera and makikita nyo na nakapambahay lang pala ako. Hindi okay nga lang yan. So the first strap that I've got, huwag kayong mag-alala, ilalagay ko lahat ng mga ito sa description kung saan nyo siya mabibili. So pinapauna ko na I never promote any of fake products. So expect what it is. Lagay ko lahat sa description box, lahat ng mga to. So let's start with my favorite one. This is my most favorite strap on my Apple Watch. This is a red one. So I really love red. But the cons is some of my outfit hindi siya match. Like for example, I'm wearing yellow, I'm wearing green, hindi siya match together with this. So for example, I'm wearing green and I'm gonna use this. I look like Christmas tree, honestly. So anyways, let's now move on to another part of this one. This is the most I love. So this is how to install on your Apple Watch. Same as the series, but this is how it install in a Ultra. You have to slide it in. And also at the bottom. So when you wear this is the most exciting part. This is the most I love one. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Mukha siyang orange camera, or baka sa mata ko lang yun. But it looks really good for me. And it matched on my white outfit. It really matched on my white outfit. I really love it. For example, I'm also wearing gray one. It also matched on this one. Yeah, this is so good. This is everything. I love this. Let me see. So, meron maingay sa kapitbahay, so disregard nyo na yun. So, that's the part of the, that's the part of the society, yung ingay-ingay na ganyan. So, ayun. So, this is how it looks like. It looks really good. This is how it looks. So, let's move on. Most I love one. So, if you want to remove this, there's two buttons. Like, you have to push this. And this one. And that's it. Now let's move on to another strap. This is the most old one. This is my first ever strap na ginamit ko with my previous old Apple Watch. This is a white. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo madumi na siya. But pwede pa rin naman siya hanggang ngayon. So, ayun. Medyo makapal yung quality niya compared to my previous. Compared to the red one, this is so unique. Ito yung pinaka first ever strap ko sa relo na to. Ayan. And sobrang tagal niya na as in. Lalagay ko siya. And like, ayan, dark mode. This is how it looks. Apple Watch. So that is how it looks. That's how it looks. So let's move on to another strap. This is the most cheap. Ito yung pinakamura na strap na meron ako, and unique din yung pagsusuot niya compared to the official silicone Apple Watch. This is a nylon band. So if you want to use this, you have to slide this and that. And it automatically fit on your hand. And this is how it looks like. It looks really unique, but I don't like the texture at all because it feels like there is a cloth wrap your hand and it doesn't feel nice. But yes, in camera, I really love it. In personal, I really love it because I can also match in every of my outfit, but in every of my pros there is also a cons. So that's the cons. I don't like the texture at all. Yes, this is how it looks. So I have to remove this right away. Press the button and press the button. The last strap that I'm gonna show to you, this is my most favorite one. This is the one that I love. This is it. A metal silicone. Metal silicone? Hindi siya metal silicone. Metal lang siya. You have to slide this. And if you wear it fits perfectly fine on your hand, and there is a magnet. So this is it. This is how it looks like. I really love the combination. The slightly gold tint color of my Apple Watch Ultra match the strap itself, and it looks really good. Hindi siya ganun kasakit sa mata, hindi siya ganun katakaw mata. For example, lalabas kayo sa labas. Alangan lalabas kayo sa loob, di ba? Hindi siya ganun katakaw sa mata, and maganda siya. And also perfectly fit in every of my outfit. Like for example, I'm wearing white. It looks really good. I'm wearing gray. It looks really good. For example, I'm wearing a red, and it looks really good as well. So this is it. A simple but elegant. Ilalagay ko rin dyan link sa baba kung saan siya mabibili. Okay, press 1. Regards on your Apple Watch, guys, look at this. Meron silang mga bagong face of your watch. Ayan, list na faces ng watches, and I really love it. I really love some of their designs. Some of them are free, but some of them are not. Look at that. It looks really good. Napakagandang mga bagong designs na pwede sa Apple Watches. So ayun, so share ko lang. Napakadaming mga bagong designs ng Apple Watches. Ang pinaka-last pala na ipapakita ko sa inyo, I suggest na every of the tao right there na gumagamit ng Apple Watch, it's either Ultra, katulad nito, or hindi naman, I suggest na dapat meron kayong ganito. This is a silicone case. Wala akong makitang ganito sa Power Mac. Wala din ako makita sa official website ng Apple. This is a simple silicone one. Some of the people, may nakita ako, gumagamit siya ng transparent, and it looks really good. Napakaganda niya. Pero kasi naisip ko, di ba nagta-turns yellow siya pag lumuma? So sabi ko naman, baka yearly kailangan ko magpalit. So what is the purpose of this one? It is to protect every of the sides of your Apple Watch. And I chose black to match every of my straps that I had. And pansinin nyo, if color black ang strap niyo, it match every of your Apple Watch strap. It looks really good. Kung transparent naman, ganun din. Pero sabi ko, nagta-turns yellow siya. But some of the people, meron ako nakita na color white, and it looks good as well. Pero yes, I choose black to perfectly match every of my straps. Kasi meron din mga purple, green na ganito. And if you wanna get some of those, some of the strap na meron kayo, hindi bagay doon. Hindi siya match. So you have to get another one to match kung anong strap color ang meron kayo. So what I did is, I chose black. And this is for a long period of time. This is for a long time. Like for example, ito na yung mismong silicone case na gagamitin ko. But I'm still getting a new strap. Yes. So kung ikakabit nyo siya, you have to fit first the rotation button. And perfect. And fit the and this looks really good and simple. Look at that. I love this. Looks so good. Look at that. The buttons are perfectly cut. This is the most important one, the speaker. And the buttons, the sides. And also the two buttons to release the straps. And also the MagSafe charger. And also the rotation. And the lock button. This is so good. I love this. So this is it. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna install this strap. This is my most favorite one. And if I wear this, and it looks really good and presentable. Look at that. This looks really good. And bagay siya sa mga estudyante na katulad ko. Ayan. For example, student ka pa lang and you're wearing Apple Watch. Hindi naman pwede na ipagyabang mo na naka-Apple Watch ka. So you have to put case in it also to protect in every of the scratch. And I hope you don't mind. Meron pala akong silicone screen protector dito to prevent any of the scratch getting to it. And napakaganda niyang tignan. Napakaganda niya sa kamay. And simple lang siya. Meron siyang black na case. Hindi totally exposed na naka-ultra watch ka. And also match with the metal that you have, and it looks really good. So thank you so much for watching this video. So for more videos like this, just subscribe on this channel. Hindi akong lalagyan ng kahit anong social media accounts ko dito. Kasi, di ba? Kasi ako galing ko kasi sa ibang mga vlogger. Tinitignan ko talaga kung gusto ko yung ano. So thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, I hope you enjoy this video. So bye!